Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Spinning is one of the most exciting elements of skating. Experienced skaters can reach high speeds and demonstrate impressive spins. When you first start, you'll feel dizzy and struggle to balance, but that will improve with practice. The 2-foot spin is the easiest spin to learn and should be mastered before progressing to the single-foot spin.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Decide which direction feels the most natural to spin. Right-handed people usually prefer to spin to their left. Step 2. Start with both feet on an inside edge, your toes pointing inwards and your arms outstretched. Step 3. Bend your knees and turn in the opposite direction to the way you want to turn. Just like winding a clock. Step 4. As you unwind, you'll start to spin. Step 5. To spin faster, bring the arms in tight to your body.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Keep your arms close to your body while spinning. Keep your feet close together. Don't turn your toes out. Don't bend at the hips, keep straight.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Decide on your direction of spin. Keep your feet on the inside edges. Wind up. Unwind. Keep your arms in tight.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.